Hi everyone, I'm here at Powers Music with a little break because I've got a student on a field trip. And I got this tune this week from a woman named Kelsey in Austin, Texas. Thank you, Kelsey. I'd never heard this tune before. It's called The Spotted Dog Jig. It was written by John McEvoy, and I'm going to put a link to the album that apparently he plays it on with his sister Catherine in the comments, so you could buy the album if you want to support the artist, if you like this tune. So it's called The Spotted Dog. I think it's a great little jig. It's just really happy for summer. Feels like a summer tune. So, and I guess it's named after a pub in Birmingham. So here we go. I'm going to play it slow and then quickly. Enjoy it. You can't help but be happy when you play that tune. I love it. I'm so happy I just found that tune and I wanted to share it this month. So have a great day, everyone.